Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on PlayStation 4. Currently, Brawl Stars is developed exclusively for mobile phones and tablets, making it unavailable as a direct download on your PlayStation 4. This means we cannot simply find it in the PlayStation Store. Playing requires a workaround to bridge the gap between your mobile device and the console. We will explore those necessary steps to get your game running. Since Brawl Stars is a mobile game, the first crucial step is to run it on a personal computer using an Android emulator. Programs like BlueStacks or Nox Player allow your computer to mimic an Android environment, letting you install and play mobile applications seamlessly. After installing your chosen emulator, search for Brawl Stars within its App Store and download it onto your emulated device. This prepares the game to be streamed or displayed, moving us closer to playing through your console setup. Connect your personal computer to your television using an HDMI cable, which mirrors the emulator's display onto your big screen. Next, pair your PlayStation 4 DualShock controller with your personal computer via Bluetooth. Once connected, open your Android emulator settings and carefully map the controller buttons to simulate the on-screen touch controls of Brawl Stars. This provides a familiar, console-like gaming experience from your couch. It is important to remember that this method utilizes a personal computer as an intermediary, not the PlayStation 4 itself running the game natively. Your gameplay performance will largely depend on your computer's processing power and internet speed, affecting both the emulator and streaming quality. You might also experience slight input lag, so fine-tuning your settings is recommended for optimal responsiveness. While not a direct console port, this workaround offers an enjoyable way to play Brawl Stars on your large screen setup. Happy brawling!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.